Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you what worked for me fix to fix crashing and launching issues. So this is what I have tested myself. So I hope it's gonna work for you as well. So make sure you watch this video till the very end, and also I really appreciate if you subscribe and like this video for more tutorials. So I really appreciate that. Thank you for doing that. And now let's jump right into the video. Make sure you leave your results in the comment section, and now let's jump right into the video. So first method, what you have to do is to head over to GTA 5, trying to fix this game. So head over to GTA 5 and then click on properties and then compatibility, and here make sure you run this program in compatibility mode. Check this box and check then this box and this box right over here, and this one as well. And now click on apply and okay. You can also actually in fact go to change DPI and enable this one as well. Click on apply and okay. Now the next method, what you have to do, we have to ensure that we have the latest drivers. So go to Windows update settings, and here make sure you click on advanced options and then optional updates. And if this list is huge for you, you have a huge list of driver updates available to download and install. Make sure you check all of them and click on download and install. This is what you have to do. And now the next method is to, now after you updated your drivers, you can also go to your browser, your antivirus, and just click on virus and threat protection. And then here we have manage settings, and then just scroll down, and here we have exclusions, add or remove exclusions. Click on yes, and you add an exclusion folder. And now just go exactly where is located Rocket Games and click on select folder, because we're doing this because sometimes your antivirus will interfere with the game and cause crashing issues. Now if that didn't work, you still have problems with the game. Now is also to install, ensure that you have Microsoft Visual C++. I'll leave the links in the description of this video. Click here and install. Also DirectX, click here and install. And then also GeForce for those that have a NVIDIA graphic card, GeForce Experience. And here what we have to do is to go to drivers, and then here check for updates, and then if there's an available driver to install, click on download. And now what you have to do is also to install latest drivers for AMD, for Intel, and that's pretty much it. I really hope guys now you can enjoy the game and have some fun with your friends, play the game, enjoy the game. I really hope that. And now also make sure you restart your computer, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.